My name is Shihara Singh, and in this video, I will be discussing the question set 23 of DBMS question set step 5. Um, and also this question set in this and also in this question set, I will be using the scenario of question set 16 and the um, data of question set 18. These are the data. So this will be our question set, the PDF of our question set, today's question set. So the first question is, what is the lowest mark? Lowest mark means we have to use the keyword mean. What is the lowest mark obtained for single subject in first term? So we need the term table, the subject table, and the quiz table. So in total three tables and the keyword mean. So let's type our query. So we inner join the student exam mark record table with the subject table. Then that table is inner joined with the exam term table, and we have used the condition as subject name equal to single language and literature, as well as the term name as personal. I mean, the term name should be first term. So both of these conditions must be satisfied uh, in order to get our final result, the minimum mark. Let's execute it. As you can see, we have received the answer 75. So minimum mark is 75 in the first term uh, for the subject for this subject. Let's see the next question. The second question: find all details of the student who got lowest mark. Mean one second. Lowest mark in the first term. Sinhala subject. Uh, so let's type the relevant query for the second question as well. query. So this would be the query for the second question. Uh, we have used the same query that we have typed in the first question as our first subquery. Using that, we have derived the mark, the minimum mark that was received in for the subject Sinhala language and literature. Sinhala language and literature during first term. And yes, um, from that condition, we have derived the index number of the student, and from that index number, we have derived all of the details, all the details of that student. So I have executed the code. Let's see. So that would be our answer. So let's see the third question. What is the lowest mark? Lowest means mean. We have to use the keyword mean. Mark obtained in the they ask you for the mark obtained in the second term for science. Let's type the query relevant to that question. Um, so as you can see, um, I'm done typing the third query. We have inner joined three tables, and we have used the keyword min, and we have used our term name as second term and subject name as science for our condition. I have executed the query. Let's see the answer. So this is our answer, 45.52. So the fourth question would be, what is the minimum mark? Minimum mark means mark. We have used the keyword min obtained for the subject mathematics in the term examination held on 10th July 2020. So we need three tables once again: the term table, the subject table, and the student exam mark record table. Let's type the given query. So now you are looking at the fourth query. We have inner joined three tables as we did previously. I have executed the query. Now I will show you the answer. This is the answer. The answer is 44.12. And let's see the next question. The next question would be 5. Find all all means asterisk mark, all details of the student who obtained the minimum mark, min mark, min obtained for the subject mathematics in the term examination held on 10th July. Once again, let's type the query. Now you are looking at the fifth query. The fourth query as our first subquery. The lowest mark for mathematics obtained in the second term examination. And using that mark, we have obtained the index number of that student, and using that index number, we have derived the student's details. I have executed the query. I will show you now. This is our answer. So that would be the end of the discussion of question set 23 of DBMS question sets A5, and thank you.